Hi, so I put the other exhaust on, just done it. So that was on the old engine. So that one's all been painted. And the carb is all in bits now. That's what they look like. Like this. That's the gasket here. That's the mixture needle. That's the air bleed screw. That's the float here. That's the spring. So that's what they look like when they're all in bits. Here, there's the other half. Here. So that's what when it's complete like that, yeah. And that's what it looks like all in bits. And that's the main jet going in. So I'm just cleaning it all at the moment, and I'm going to reset it. Thanks for watching, bye.